Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into everyday health issues and how to tackle them. Have you ever finished a meal feeling like you've suddenly transformed into a balloon? It's a common experience and you're definitely not alone. Yeah, bloating can be quite a bummer, making you feel uncomfortable and, well, a bit more round. It can even make your favorite jeans feel like a size too small. So why exactly does bloating happen? It's not just about eating too much. There are several underlying reasons that might be causing this discomfort. Bloating can be caused by a variety of factors including, and I know this might surprise you, the way you eat. Yes, the speed at which you consume your food plays a significant role. Yes, eating too quickly can make you swallow air, and before you know it, you're puffing up like a puffer fish. This is one of the most common yet overlooked causes of bloating. Another common culprit? Your diet itself. The types of food you consume can have a huge impact on how your digestive system behaves. Foods that are high in salt, or those notorious beans and dairy products, can send your digestive system into a frenzy. These foods are known to produce gas and cause bloating. And let's not forget about those fizzy drinks. They might be tasty, but they also introduce extra gas into our system. Carbonated beverages are a major contributor to that bloated feeling. But here's the kicker. Sometimes it's not what you eat, but how your body reacts to it. Food sensitivities can play a big role in bloating. If you've got a sensitivity to certain foods like gluten or lactose, these can be bloating triggers too. Identifying these sensitivities can be crucial in managing your bloating. Now, on to the part you've been waiting for. How to fix it. There are several strategies you can implement to reduce and even prevent bloating. First up, slow down your eating pace. Eating slowly can significantly reduce the amount of air you swallow, which in turn reduces bloating. Take time to chew your food and enjoy each bite. Not only will this help with digestion, but it will also make your meals more enjoyable. Properly chewing your food breaks it down more effectively, making it easier for your digestive system to process. This simple change can make a big difference. Next, consider integrating some exercise into your routine. Physical activity can help move gas through your digestive system more quickly. A simple walk after a meal can do wonders for digestion. It's like telling your body, hey, let's get moving and get this food processed. This can be especially helpful after a large meal. Even light jogging or stretching can be beneficial. The key is to keep your body moving to aid the digestive process. And hydration, my friends, is key. Drinking plenty of water helps move things along in the digestive tract and can prevent constipation, which is another cause of bloating. Drinking water throughout the day keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to stay well hydrated. But steer clear of those carbonated drinks. Remember, we're trying to keep the gas to a minimum. Opt for still water or herbal teas instead. Lastly, if you suspect food sensitivities are to blame, it might be wise to keep a food diary or consult with a healthcare provider. Tracking what you eat and how you feel can reveal patterns and help identify triggers. They can help pinpoint exactly what's causing your discomfort. A professional can provide personalized advice and treatment options. Remember, bloating is common, and often it's nothing to worry about. By understanding what triggers your bloating and implementing these simple fixes, you can help keep your digestive system happy and yourself comfortable. But by understanding what triggers your bloating and implementing these simple fixes, you can help keep your digestive system happy and yourself comfortable. It's all about making small, manageable changes. So don't let bloating deflate your day. Tackle it head-on with these tips. You've got the power to make a change and feel better. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a less bloated future. Stay healthy and happy, everyone.